Day 2 of tool reviews. Nobody wants to see the M12 18 gauge nailer, Milwaukee Fuel. First, we will take some 1¼ brads, 18 gauge, and we will shoot them into cedar. Pretty good. Cedar's pretty soft, so I know what you're saying. Get rid of that cedar and shoot it in that piece of white oak you got right there. That's pretty good. You can see right there. Striker's not doing too badly either. It shoots up to 1.5 nails. Let's throw some 1.5s in here. Throw those in. Take it. Throw that down. Some of those actually went through. You can see this piece was just at a little under 1.5 inches. Okay, so that concludes day 2 of tool reviews nobody wants to see. My conclusion, Milwaukee put way too much into this tool. I think it's too light. I think it has way too many features. And I think if they want to keep pace with the other people who make tools like these, I'm not going to name any names like that yellow tool brand, they need to really chintz it up a little bit and make it so it doesn't work as well. I don't like this. Just kidding.